Go bloopers. Take one. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to. Oh, excuse me, I burped on camera again. Anyway, cut. Google, you're not supposed to be in G major 4, and you're not allowed to have a background black. You were supposed to have the letters text normal, okay, Google? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now you can try again. Take two. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be in the confusion effect, and you're still not allowed to have a black background. You're supposed to have a normal, and you're not supposed to be in reverse, and you're supposed to have it normal, okay? And you're not supposed to be mirror. Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now you can try it again. Take three. Cut. Like I said, not in the confusion effect. You're not supposed to be, Google, you are not supposed to, like I said, not in the confusion effect. You are supposed to not be mirrored, but the background's good, but it doesn't need to sound like G major 4. It is supposed to have a normal audio, okay? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be red and wiggly. It's not supposed to say the new blue. I don't know what that says, but what either. You're supposed to have a normal background, normal pitch, normal sound. Okay, Google? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be in short on. You are supposed to not have a blue background, and you are not supposed to have the text blue. You are supposed to have a normal text, and you are supposed to have a normal pitch, normal sound. Okay, Google? Oh, sorry about that. Oh, that's good. Now I can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be in G major, and you're still not supposed to have a black background. You're supposed to have a normal background, and a normal pitch, normal sound, and you're supposed to have a normal text. Oh, sorry about that. I think I was using Megaphoto. Okay, now I can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be in the crying effect. You are not supposed to have the background black, and you're not supposed to have the colors changed, and you're not supposed to have like the down thing. You're supposed to be up and normal. Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take it again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be voice deed into Windows. You're supposed to not be voice deed into Windows. You're supposed to have normal, okay? Oh, sorry about that. I think I used YouTube Video Editor. Okay, now I can try it again. Take again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be in the color effect, and you're not supposed to have a lot of high pitches. You're supposed to have it normal. Okay, Google? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Tick again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be in the effect just like G major. And you're not supposed to have a blue background. You're supposed to have the background white. And you're supposed to have normal sounds, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Tick again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be having your sound's normal, but you're not supposed to have the colors change. You're supposed to have it normal, okay, Google? Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take it again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to. You got your sound normal, but you're not supposed to be. You're not supposed to have the colors orange, purple, blue, orange, green, and purple. You're supposed to have the colors normal, okay, Google? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now you can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be revert. You were supposed to have a normal. Okay? Oops. I'm very sorry about that. I think I used megaphone. That's good. Now I can try again. Tick again. Cut. Google, you're not supposed to be revert. You are supposed to have it normal, okay, Google? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now we can try again. Tick again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be having a gray color. You're supposed to have a normal. Hold on. That's better. Anyway, cut. Google, you're not supposed to have a gray effect, black. You're not supposed to have a high pitch. You are supposed to have a normal pitch, okay, Google? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now you can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to have a timer in the back right here. You are not supposed to have a different effect. And you are not supposed to be having a different effect than usual. And you are not supposed to be having the background blue. And the colors are supposed to have normal colors, okay, Google? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take again. Cut. Google, you are not supposed to be super low pitched, and at least the colors aside, the colors are supposed to be blue, red, orange, green, blue, green, and red. It's supposed to have a normal pitch sound, okay? Google. I'm very sorry about that. That is good. Now I can try again. Tick again. Tick it again. But this is your warning, Google. If you screw up again, I go fire you, okay, Google? You will fire me? Yep, I will fire you from the job. And that would not be good. And if you fire from the job, but if you screw up one more time, you're fired. You understand? I understand. Okay. Now that we have gotten so much to do, and now we can do the last take. Tick again. Cut. That's it. Google, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I don't want to hear another word out of it. Oh, darn it. I'm fired. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Google Logo Bloopers. It has been chaotic and fun. And I really hope you enjoy this episode of Logo Bloopers. It'll be so much fun to do. So, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So, if you don't know, Spiffy Pictures Focus is a picture of it's been a good thing. And we haven't done chaos stuff with Google. Google has kind of messed stuff up a little bit, like 2,763 times in a row. Alright. That's on purpose. But anyways, how will you guys like this video? Hopefully I'm not going to get a copyright strike. This is like 12 minutes and 22 seconds of the Google Chrome logo bloopers. This is the effects I was using right there. Google i2 effects. That's right, premium 2 effects. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and maybe subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Can I be rehired for the rest of the episode? Absolutely not, Google. You cannot. Darn it. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.